How do you kill someone who is protected by God? There was once a king who thought he was a god. He was powerful, he was cruel, he controlled everything. But he had one problem. He could not kill a single small boy. He tried to throw the boy off a mountain. The boy came back. He tried to drown the boy in the ocean. The boy came back. This is the story of a child who smiled in the face of death, and a king who lost everything by winning. Long ago, this king had a magician. The magician was getting old, so he asked the king for a smart young boy to teach his magic to. The king chose the smartest boy in the city. Every day, the boy walked to the magician's castle, but on the way, he met a monk, a holy man. The monk taught the boy about the real creator, about Allah. The boy loved the monk's word more than the magician's tricks. But the boy needed proof. One day, a huge beast, maybe a lion, blocked the road. People were terrified. The boy picked up a small stone. He said, "O Allah, if the monk is right, let me kill this beast." He threw the stone. The beast fell. The boy knew the truth. The boy's faith gave him miracles. He began to heal the sick. He even healed the king's best friend, a blind courtier. When the king found out his friend believed in Allah, he was furious. He killed the friend. He killed the monk. Now, only the boy was left. The king ordered his guard, "Take this boy to the highest mountain. If he does not leave his faith, throw him off." They climbed to the top. The drop was deadly. But the boy just looked at the sky and prayed a simple prayer. "O Allah, save me from them in any way you choose." Suddenly, the mountain shook. The soldiers fell to their deaths. But the boy walked back to the king, safe and sound. The king was shocked. "Where are my guards?" he asked. The boy smiled and said, "Allah took care of them." The king was angry. He said, "Take him to the middle of the sea and throw him in." But in the middle of the ocean, the boy prayed again, "O Allah, save me from them." The boat flipped over. The soldiers drowned. Once again, the boy walked back to the king. The king was terrified. He had enemies. He had power, but he could not hurt this one child. The boy looked at the king and said, "You cannot kill me unless you do exactly what I tell you." The boy gave the instruction, "Gather all the people in one place. Tie me to a tree. Take an arrow from my own quiver. And before you shoot, you must say loud enough for everyone to hear, 'In the name of Allah, the Lord of this boy.'" The king wanted the boy dead so badly. He agreed. He pulled the arrow back. He shouted, "In the name of Allah, the Lord of this boy." He released the arrow. The arrow hit the boy. The boy died. The king laughed. He thought he had won. But then he looked at the crowd. The people saw king was powerless without boy's God. They saw the miracle one by one. The thousands of people shouted, "We believe in the Lord of the boy. We believe in the Lord of the boy." The king killed the boy, but the boy converted the whole kingdom. The boy sacrificed his life to save their souls. This brings us to today's foresight takeaway. We often think winning means staying alive or getting rich, but this boy taught us that true victory is when the truth survives, even if we don't. Sometimes what looks like a defeat in this world is the greatest victory in the next. If this story touched your heart, please like and subscribe to Islamic Foresight. We need your support. Please support us. May Allah bless us all. Thank you so much.